Hello everyone, today I am sharing with you my next guest design team project for Crafty Me shop on Facebook. I will put a link to Esme's store in the description box below. Just to let you know, Esme normally has a sale on Fridays. That's American time, and if that sale is not going to take place, there will be a notice on the Facebook group to let you know exactly what is happening. This is my second guest design team project. I will be trying to put one up each week until I've used a good deal of the beautiful treasures that Esme sent me. I will put a link in the description box below to the beautiful guest design team kit that she sent to me, so you can see the things that I've been working with, because as in the case of today, there were two appliques like this and I've used them on the project, so I can't physically show you those anymore. Today I have made a paper tassel doll of sorts. It is a tassel doll, but it's a little bit different to the ones I normally made. When Esme sent the guest design team kit, there was a card on the top of the kit, and what I did was I cut the beautiful image off the front of the card, which was of Marie Antoinette in a gilded frame, and I've used that as the top part of my doll. And I've decorated it with this beautiful pink and white. It's actually all beaded and it has sequins on it. It was a long applique piece, and this is all I have left of that applique piece. But as you can see, all the beading and the sequins and things on that, and it also has some silver thread going through it. It's absolutely beautiful. So I've used that on the side of the frame. I've used it layered up here in two parts with a flower, and also here, and cut some of the little leaves off it as well. I've used on the frame some of this lovely gold rickrack that was sent to me as well. I've glued it all around the frame, and I've also used it as the hanger as well. I have glittered and painted Marie Antoinette's dress. It was originally in like, I think, a navy blue and white colour, which didn't really go with these colours that much. So I have some old paint, which is, I don't know what it's called, but it's really beautiful. You can see the colour of it here, and it just went really well with these colour appliques. So I painted just the little tiny bits of the navy blue, and now it looks really lacy. And then once that dried, I went over it with this Stardust Stickles. It has a little coloured fleck going through it, which was nice because it picks up on the colours in the appliques. The earring at the top here, that is my own earring. My daughter bought me that quite some time ago to use in my crafting. The beautiful pearl spray here is also from Esme's store, and that is these, and they're really lovely. And you know, you can bend those in all different directions, and they have a beautiful old luster to them. I really love these, so it was nice to use that as well. The flower is my own, and so is the centerpiece there. And I think that's it for the top. Now I'm going to move back a little bit so you can see the full effect, if I can. It is, as with most hanging crafts, it is very difficult to show it to its full glory. But there you go. I'll just drag it up, and this is the absolutely beautiful, I don't know whether I'd call it an applique or an, I think, is it opulent, like one of those shoulder pieces that Esme sent me. And as soon as I saw it, I thought, oh, it has to go on something wonderful. But look at all the beadwork in that. It's just gorgeous. I'll just bring it up closer so you can really get an understanding of how much beadwork is done in it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and this is all sequined along the bottom here. And I thought it just lended itself perfectly to the pannier style French gowns that she wore. And I've used these two beautiful dyed appliques. I've taken them apart and then positioned them like they're going around, you know how they had the wide dresses, and down the sides there. And then this is the tassel part on the bottom of the skirt, and I really love the way it's turned out. It's just hanging up. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful, so very beautiful. And of course I've used both the applique pieces for this, and there's none of that left. On the back I've just, the image is on felt, and then I've also got the little hip parts on felt to help those, to secure those in place. And then I've cut some cardstock to the shape of the background here, and I've glued on some of this blue lace, which was my own, just to finish the back and make that look rather tidy, and also to give it some sort of sturdiness, because, you know, I didn't, although I've got some movement in the lace, it does need to keep in position. So there we go. That is my second guest design team project for Crafty Me shop, and I'm hoping to come on once a week, like I said, and use up these beautiful products that she sent. So do go pay her a visit on Facebook. She has sales mostly once a week, and you do have to be quick in those sales. Sometimes she does a live sale. I think last week she did a live sale, and sometimes she just, you know, lists them in the store, and it's first in, first served. Whoever is lucky enough to click on it first and say me will get that product, or, you know, the amount of meters or yards that they want to purchase. So I hope you like my Marie Antoinette paper tassel doll. I think she's really beautiful. I really do like the way it's turned out, and I shall see you again next week with another project from Crafty Me Shop. So take care, everybody. Bye-bye.